Bismillah Rahmanir Rahim. Assalamu alaikum, friends, how are you? Well, this video is for those who travel internationally and need an international license. The first thing you guys have to do is to play online. And to apply online you have to visit this website. Okay, fine. After coming to this website, you have to see on this website that in how many days you can get your international license. Tell me what this license is. Will arrive in 5 working days. The documents that will be uploaded should not be more than 1 megabyte. After this, you have to fill the form here. What is the form you have to fill and how to do it? That first in this area. At your leisure. Address and email address. Here you have to enter your basic information. Is your mobile number right here? And after that you have to fill your form below. In a complete way. Will there be nationality here? Here is the date of birth where you are living. Family male fixed. And it became data clean. Please, this is the data part here. Home country address. And so you have to fill this form in this way where there is a trust where E is living. You have to put the license number in the information of the license. It has happened from here, so it is also Abu Dhabi.